Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a free account on BandLab. BandLab is a powerful free music creation platform that lets you record, edit and share your music directly from your phone or your computer. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with sounds or someone serious about producing tracks, BandLab gives you access to the tools like multi-track recording, effects, auto-tune and cloud storage, all without any cost. And to start using these features, you first need to create a free account, which only takes a few minutes. So first open a BandLab app on your device, and over here on the bottom we can find this Apple icon, Google or the Facebook. You can select any of the icon as well, as I'm going to select the Google on the middle and select continue. And over here, once you get into this interface for your sign into BandLab, on the bottom right we can find this continue icon. Tap on the continue and that is it. This is how you can create a free account on BandLab. Creating a free BandLab account is quick, simple and opens the door to a complete music studio on your device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.